we've got actually the first member of ECCS that's actually let me do a video of their car. And it's a Mazda 3, 2007. It's got rims that are actually done quite nicely in green. The tire size on the outside, I like that for some reason. But not a bad looking car, manual. My dad's fiance had one of these and really wanted me to have it for some reason, and I was going to, but you know, I bought American instead. But not a bad little car. It sounds really awesome. Straight pipes, no cats. Has a little bit of road wear. You've rubbed up on a few things. Perfect. Sounds fucking good. Nice. Alright, well, there you have it. That sounds fucking good. Like, that sounds better than that piece of junk. To be honest, it almost sounds better than my Trans Am. Can you think of anything you want to say of it? Because I don't really have strong opinions about Mazda. Oh, it's got a sunroof. That's always nice. Whoa! What happened here?
That was that door and that got all beat up. Dodge Ram decided he wanted to come over and...
Oh, yeah, okay. Sounds like a Dodge.
Yeah, check your blind spot once in a while. You won't have that, bro.
That's starting to fall off. Although, that is actually such a great idea. The amount of burning rubber, or the burnt rubber I've had to clean off of cars, having that flap stops.
I'll go look in the other wheel.
Yeah. Is it lowered at all?
No.
Huh. Front seems kind of low.
Yeah.
It's not a bad little car. Is it fast at all? Yeah. So what made you pick green? Well, and as we all know from Project Ricer, each of these stickers is 5 horsepower. And then the Maritime Mazda, that's probably 10 each. That's a double-deckle turbo right there. Oh yeah, well no, that's a boost air freshener. So you're boosting your air freshness totally. There's like 6 of them. So yeah, like you're running some serious boost. I almost bought a Speed 3, the turbocharged hatchback, but the deal fell through at the last minute. The guy, when I first got in touch with the guy, he's like, "Oh yeah, the air conditioning doesn't work." And I was like, "Oh, I don't give a fuck about that. Put the windows down." And then right when I go to pick it up, he's like, "All right, so the problem with the air conditioning is the belt is shot." I was like, "Wait a minute," and because I looked it up, and if the belt is shot, it'll snap off and rip up everything in the engine compartment. I was like, "You know what, man? Never mind. Not interested." And he got real pissed.